How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of yellow teeth, step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg99. So I'm going to give you 3 tips. I'm going to go over a few different tips. All of these tips I recommend doing. Don't just do one, do all 3. And you're going to notice your teeth get really, really white. You're going to get rid of the yellow teeth. So the first tip, and this is only, I'm going to give you the best tip. Right off the bat, best tip, oil pulling. By far the best tip. Get some olive oil, 2 tablespoons, swish it in your mouth, 20 seconds, morning before going to bed. Literally like this. For 20 seconds with olive oil. Spit the olive oil out when you're done. Very simple to do. This is by far the best tip that you can do. Within a couple of days, your teeth will get rid of the yellowness. I do that every morning. Look at my teeth, pure white. The second tip, and this tip is temporary. It is not permanent. So if you get mad with what I'm about to say, and that you have to limit coffee or pop. So I know some people really like coffee. I love coffee. Limit it just until your teeth become white. Once they become white, then you can start drinking again. The reason why I recommend this is because coffee and pop stain your teeth. So if you're trying to get them white, it's good just not to drink that. If you can still drink it, obviously, just try to limit it if you can. The third tip, the last tip, and this one's really big, is when you're brushing your teeth, put a timer on your phone to make sure that you're brushing for the full 2 minutes. I have an electric toothbrush. On my toothbrush, every 30 seconds, it gives you a little vibrate. So I know 4 times is 2 minutes. So that's kind of how I know I get the full 2 minutes every single time. Brushing your teeth, if you only brush your teeth, it's not going to make your teeth pure white. I know a lot of people think, ooh, brushing your teeth. If you're drinking pop and coffee and your teeth are getting stained, brushing your teeth is not enough. You need to do the oil pulling. So you need to do the oil pulling. You need to make sure you don't drink the coffee or the pop. And 3, make sure you brush your teeth for the full 2 minutes. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.